I'm Susan. Today I'm honored to join an open challenge hosted by Annie Jones. Annie crafts every night live, and she has for quite a long time. She's funny and kind and is a great supporter of her watchers. She considers us her friends. She has challenged us to recreate one of her Halloween crafts and show it. She has over 160 to choose from. I will list her channel as well as the playlist down below. Please check out everybody. You'll be amazed at what can be done. Annie made some fabric pumpkins on one of her craft nights. So that's what I'm going to do. And I'm going to use the empty cardboard tube from Ribbon to help me get all my fabric in place. So I used some batting from an old pillow and just laid it around the cardboard tube to give my pumpkin its shape. And then I just pulled the corners and tucked into the hole. And once it got tight, I just grabbed a dowel and shoved it in there to get it all in there. This way I can save my fabric if I want to use it for another project. And I won't have so much glue on it. And for the stems, I just use cinnamon sticks. I have some in my crafting area, and I put 3 of them in this one to fill up the hole and keep everything tight. I used some of this wire jute to make my little tendrils, or springy thingies as Kiki calls it. And I just twisted around the dowel, and I just tucked it in with the cinnamon sticks, and I just did the smallest dab of glue on these leaves I had from Dollar Tree and just put it together that way. And I'm going to make 3 different pumpkins, and I'm going to pretty much do them all the same. But if you don't have an empty spool, you don't even have to use a spool. You could just use the batting and hot glue it. That's what Annie did. Or you can use toilet paper. I think she did some with using toilet paper, and you just loosen the toilet paper and make it into a shape and tuck your fabric into the center roll. There's anything to get the little pumpkin shapes. But I just saw these laying there, and I thought I would give it a try, these cardboard inner tubes for the ribbon. On this pumpkin, I just twisted some of the beaded garland and made my tendril and put it in there, and found some red leaves to kind of match the fabric. And once again, I just put just the smallest dab of glue on there and glued them to the top of my pumpkin. This fabric I had left over from a previous project, and it was smaller, so I had a smaller spool. So the good thing about these pumpkins, you can make them as big or as small as you want. And I just once again tucked it and decorated it just like the other 2. It was just a little bit small. In fact, all 3 of them are a little bit different sizes. I think they turned out adorable. I love stuff like this. And here they are. Aren't they cute? Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you hadn't. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Thank you so much, Annie, for hosting this challenge. Thank you for all you do for us, Annie. And until next time, bye, y'all.